What's up, y'all? Peace, love, and light, healing through inspiration. It's a great granddaughter's day. So freaking hot. About to cut this air on. Hold on. Feel myself getting some water so I can switch out of my mouth. And man. Maybe this attacks is to like get it all wet. It's like be careful not to drink it. You know, I'll be doing this so I could actually talk. Cause I swear to gosh, my mouth gets so freaking dry. I got feel in my lips. And I feel like one of those gargoyles is turning to stone in a bit. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's just like, shoot, the dry fan. Man, it's very hot. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. You guys want to book a one-on-one consultation? DM us on Instagram at Healing Through Inspiration. Go with our business course. Go with our apparel, healingthroughinspiration.com/shop, as well as our one-of-a-kind artwork. There, you guys seen us craft that on our page. Man, it's like, it's hot. Very hot. I wanted to drink some. I've been swishing things out. Had some iced tea. But you can't drink it. So I just put it in my mouth and I gotta spit it out. My body is just like, shoot. I'm not even really thinking about food that much except for watermelon. You know what I'm saying? You know? Put some on my neck or something. Oh. You know, it's been a lot. And I kind of got this fast this dry fast really is necessarily needed in order to remind myself that this is to pamper myself. This is really to take care of myself. Because I know before that wasn't being done. All the things I wanted to do beforehand, I guess I just wasn't really aware of the value or some just what it was, because I just did it with ease. But now seeing that I'm doing this, it really is like, hey, this isn't your sequence in order to do that. Go with the links to the description. I'm about to get it with y'all again for another reason.